Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to get rid of the message that says try watching to get started. Now the try watching to get started message on your YouTube usually appears when you haven't watched many videos yet. YouTube needs some data to understand your interests and provide relevant recommendations. So here are a few things you can do to get past this message. One, you need to actually watch some videos. That is the simplest solution. Watch a few videos on YouTube. This will help you to blend your preference and start providing personalized recommendations. Number two, you can just use the search. So just use the search icon at the top. Here, you just search for specific videos or channels that interest you. So once you've searched for them, YouTube will be able to gather the data needed. So like I said, when you search for specific videos or channels that interest you, this will help you to understand your interests and provide more relevant content. Next, you can also browse through YouTube categories. If you don't want to use a search, you can browse the categories. There's 30 different categories. You can browse through them. Now, once you do this, it's like you have music category, gaming, and news. It will help you to discover new contents. Then, the next thing you can do, you can also clear YouTube cookies and cache. If you're using your browser, clear your browser's cookies and cache. This might sometimes help you refresh the page and remove any temporal glitches in case the message is a glitch. Then on your mobile device, simply clear YouTube app's cache and data. How do I do this? I minimize, and then from the top here, press down the icon in the center. You can see app info. Click on app info. And I will take you to my app information settings, and I go to storage. You can see my cache. I click on clear cache, and that's it. It is cleared. It's as simple as that. So it is important to note. Now it is very important to note that the try watching to get started message is a normal part of the YouTube experience, especially for new users. But by watching videos and interacting with YouTube, you will help it learn your preferences and provide you with a more personalized experience. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.